Paddlecore is a company that helps take teams to the next level, regardless of where they start.
Not only was this a lot of fun, it was a great team building exercise.
It's all about teamwork, and they got that.
That was a lot of fun, and Chrissy and her team are amazing, and they do a really good job at doing a team building exercise.
Come on.